Okay guys, I am really excited. We've only got one crawler and we like a bit of crawling. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but don't knock it until you tried it. So we bought the TRX4 kit. So I have to build this, and our thinking behind this is I have no clue when it comes to what's what, where it goes. Anything I say on the videos is what Ian's telling me to say, and even then it takes 2 or 3 takes to get it right. So what better way is to build it, work out what goes where, how things work, and hopefully give me a bit of knowledge. So we've got the TRX4 kit, we've got the Mamba X motor to go in there. This has got a little bit of oomph, and I know I'll get moaned at for that as well because it's a crawler, it's not a basher, but that's what makes us smile. So we've got that. We've got the brass portal covers to go, they're going on the front, aren't they?
Yeah. On
the front, we've got the extended wheel hexes, may or may not use them. We've got another set of wheels coming for this as well. Metal servo horn. We've got a Proline Raptor body. Part numbers there if you want that. This is a basher body, so when Kevin drives into it, hopefully it will survive. And then we've got our paints, and I'm going for yellow. I am going to have a go at making probably a Shelf Queen body of this, but that's going to be something very different, something I've got to learn. We've got a, where's that shell? We've got a nice shell that came from China for us to practice on, but it kind of got a bit squished, but I can have a play with that. I'm going to do something a bit different, a bit vintage. Yeah, I'm going to have a go at that some point in the future. So here we go. I'll try and make this not as too boring. I'll cut out what I can from it. We did unbox this on live stream with Kevin, so I'll put a link to that down below. Pat built Kevin's one and it took him 5 hours. He reckons this is going to take me 6. I'm going to time it, so leave a comment down below. Tell me how long you think it's going to take me. I think longer than 6, and probably lots of swear words. Cameraman Ian is going to try and concentrate on the build and not on the boobs. So, maybe. So here we go. Step-by-step guide. I'm going to wing it because everything's bagged up. See if I have a tantrum. Start at the very beginning. So I need a transmission bag. I have no clue. Right, they're bearings, yeah? Why do you need so many? See, I'm stumped at the first. Okay, that's that bit.
Yeah.
That bit. That way, that way, that way. That way. Bearing installs on the outside of case half. Why has this got a hole at the end? The pins fall out. Oh, I see, it fits all. That's clever, isn't it? Okay. Apply a drop of grease. Step 3. 24T output gear and drive hub assembly. Am I trying to squidge the wrong size bearing in here? It's stuck. What am I actually building?
Your gearbox.
Right.
It should all just push together, I think, or it's supposed to be like that, 1 or 2.
Ooh, next page. Place washers on output assembly.
No, what ones fit over the end of the shaft?
Shaft. Not, oh, okay, not that one then. Be the ones that fit. Oh, okay, so that's now got to go into there.
Yeah.
So that's the top.
Right.
Weights. Oh, that's the bottom. Ah. Oh, it's falling off. Oh no, I can't remember which way round that went. Oh. No, I don't know which way that went in. So now I've got no room for my washer and I've lost my washer. Oh, I've confused myself.
Right, let me have a look.
No.
That's the wrong way around for a start.
Oh, there it is.
You need
Right, I need to do this bit again. I've confused myself. Right. Right. Let's go back a page. Oh, it is. It's like Lego. When you go wrong, you have to go back a page.
Yeah.
Ooh, that feels nice. You got a numb bum. I don't understand that because I've got it upside down. Oh, I worked that bit out myself. It's okay to slightly rock horn to align ball cock. Ball cup. I don't know what that means. It's done! Why is it the other way up to the picture? Oh no, it's not. Right, completed transmission assembly. Install long output and spider gears into the differential carrier. Okay then. Which screwy bit is it? Have I lost the plot or what? I cannot get it in the hole. No. It's not screwing. Whee! Right. Good. Good, good, good.
Here you go.
That's that one. Next page.
Oh, hang on. Don't lose your washers.
Oops. The only problem is I've got no idea what these bits actually do.
That'd be your gearbox.
Oh, well, no. Oh, note orientation. Oh, what? Why have I got bits left over? I think you should make coffee.
We'll do it in a second.
And bacon sandwiches. There we go, there. Woohoo! 2. Okay. Oh. Ow.
Yes, Ruff.
Oh.
That one there.
Go away. Oh man, they hurt to get in them.
They're supposed to be them.
All 6 of them.
Mm-hmm.
How can you tell?
Because the countersunk is supposed to be into the plastic.
Please, can I have a screwdriver thingy for my birthday?
For your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or not. No, I do it back.
You rounded it off already?
No, I haven't. That's too heavy for me. I need a little one. Okay. There. You helping mummy? No. Thank you. Install transmission assembly into the chassis. The what?
Gearbox.
This bit.
Yeah.
Which is front. Right, so that is going up here somewhere. There. No. What?
Look at the picture.
Oh no, it's going down here somewhere. Okay. That's going in there.
That's it.
Hey! Why can't I use the drill?
Because I've seen how you put screws in.
Rude.
Yeah, all the angles you put them in aren't normal.
Oh, they go in, don't they? So we are 2.5 hours in. How do I know what's what? Oh, because the length on the book.
Yeah.
Right. What? Why are they on the wrong way round? Uh-oh. No, I do not understand. Why are they not that way? Why have I got those bits facing that way on here?
Because that's the back axle. You want the front axle.
I knew that. Okay, so we have run out of time today, so this is as far as we've got. The chassis is all done. Majority of the electrics are in. Looking good, quite impressed, and now it's getting quite confusing, so leave it for today so I don't get too cross.